It's grocery day. Whether you're going alone or with someone else, there's a constant companion, one we don't even think about, and those are shopping carts. In every busy store aisle, these carts are right there with us. But have you ever wondered what makes these everyday helpers so sturdy and long-lasting? Most shopping carts are made from strong metals like carbon steel or stainless steel. These metals don't rust easily and are simple to keep clean. In today's video, let's look at what materials go into making a shopping cart and why these materials work so well. First, let's talk about the dimensions. Shopping carts are designed to make shopping easier, but choosing the right one for a store is key. A high-quality cart does more than just hold groceries. It's built to last and has features that help both store owners and shoppers. Plus, a well-designed cart should stay on the premises. And for bigger stores, they can even add some useful security features that help with this. For example, locking wheels can stop carts from moving beyond the store area. Or there's the coin lock system that requires shoppers to insert a small coin to unlock the cart. Then they can get back the coin when the cart is returned. It's a small thing, but it encourages shoppers to bring carts back instead of leaving them scattered around. And every store is different, right? So shopping carts also come in various sizes and weight limits. Each of them can be tailored for different shopping needs. But let's talk about the typical metal cart first. It measures about 27.5 inches wide, 48 inches long, and 19.2 inches tall. And a large cart can hold up to 350 pounds, depending on wheel strength and the thickness of the metal. Carts come in sizes ranging from 60 to 275 liters. This gives stores options for smaller or larger carts to match their customers' needs. A standard metal cart itself weighs between 40 to 55 pounds or about 18 to 25 kilograms, depending on the model. This weight helps make the cart sturdy but still manageable for customers and store employees. But all carts have one thing in common: the holes in them. And these aren't just for looks, they actually serve several useful purposes. By having holes, less material is needed, which makes the cart lighter without losing strength. The holes also make cleaning easier, especially after spills like milk or eggs. Trying to clean broken eggs in a closed solid basket would be a pain, but with the holes, our life's easier. And it's easier for the consumer too. With holes, customers can see items in the cart more easily. Even if they're at the bottom, you can see what you're going to buy. And if the cart is full, you don't have to take everything out to see whether you've already added something. Plus, you can't go through with the OG design. The design with holes has been around since the early days of carts, and it remains popular because it works so well for both functionality and durability. And after COVID-19, hygiene is a big concern for every shopper. How many other people have touched the cart before them? To tackle this, many carts today feature antimicrobial handles or surfaces that are easier to sanitize. Some stores are even testing UV sanitizing stations. This disinfects carts after each use. Each of these features helps make shopping carts reliable, easy to use, and well suited for the daily wear and tear of busy stores. Like we said before, the manufacturing of a shopping cart begins with a careful selection of materials. This involves the manufacturing company sourcing from a reputable supplier. Then you need to make sure all the materials get delivered on time so everything can be put together in time for the store to even use them. So, what material are shopping carts made of? Usually, they're made of plastic that can withstand the wear and tear that comes with constant use. Companies use high-quality recycled plastic and metal to construct shopping carts and baskets. Now, not only are we getting the maximum use out of it, but we're also cutting down on waste. Especially as these materials are sourced primarily from post-customer and post-industrial waste. They use large volumes of potential waste from landfills and put it to good use. So, by using recycled materials, you're helping be sustainable. Companies actively contribute to the circular economy, which looks to minimize waste and make the most of resources. But shopping carts and baskets could also be made of other primary materials like metal. What metal is a shopping cart made from? Well, it all depends on the manufacturer. High-quality shopping carts are made from rust-resistant steel. This is then coated in a bright zinc, baked enamel finish. These wire carts also include a classic gray trim and side panels for customization. For example, if you want to display your store's name and logo, the side panel is where that's at. But shopping carts are helpful because we can move them around. So what material are shopping cart wheels made of? Most shopping carts today come with wheels made from polyurethane. This provides durability and a smooth roll, exactly what we need with busy stores and so many other shoppers around. But there are other options too. For example, there's thermoplastic rubber, thermoplastic polyurethane, and thermoplastic elastomers. These materials have a softer, rubber-like feel. What they do is that they make the cart easier to steer. So if you want a quieter and more user-friendly experience for shoppers, you know what materials are ideal. Some stores also opt for the super wheel. Now, this isn't a wheel in a cape, it's a sturdy rubber compound that can handle heavier loads and is built to last in high-traffic settings. It all really just depends on the needs of the store. The right cart design balances easy movement with durability for different shopping settings. Now that we've seen what materials we need, let's look at how everything gets put together in a factory. Step 1. Treating the materials. We have our materials, which are usually metals or plastics. Metals like strong carbon or stainless steel are treated to make them sturdy and rust resistant. These metals are cleaned, polished, and heat treated to handle heavy use without wearing down easily. Plastic parts like handles and seats get shredded down into tiny pieces, melted, and ready to be molded. This prep stage is all about making sure carts are both durable and environmentally friendly. It keeps the waste down and the quality up. Step 2. Cutting the materials. Next, the prepared materials are shaped into precise components. Metals are cut and bent into the structural framework of the cart using advanced laser cutting and computer numerical control machines. Technicians check each piece carefully for precise dimensions. Even a small error could make the cart unstable. Plastic components such as the handles, child seats, and cup holders are crafted through injection molding. This method involves pellets being melted and injected into custom molds to create each unique cart part. Once cooled, the hardened parts are inspected for defects to ensure they're safe, comfortable, and ready for assembly. Step 3. Assembly. At this stage, all cart components come together on an automated assembly line. Frames are mounted with wheels and baskets are attached to frames. Plastic parts like handles and cup holders are securely fastened. Robotics handles the majority of the assembly to ensure precision and efficiency, especially since each robot is programmed to perform exact movements. This reduces the chance of errors. Human operators oversee the process and perform spot checks. Their goal is to check whether each cart's built according to exact specifications. This assembly line method not only improves speed but also maintains quality as every cart is made identically. Step 4. Quality check. The carts aren't out of the woods yet. Every cart has to go through quality testing before leaving the factory. Stability tests check that the cart won't tip over easily even when fully loaded. Wheels are tested for smooth mobility on different surfaces to ensure that carts glide effortlessly in stores. Durability tests such as load-bearing tests and impact assessments simulate heavy use and unexpected bumps. These tests are so important in ensuring that the carts meet industry standards and last as long as possible. If you're making sure the quality holds up, the need for replacements gets minimized. Step 4. Packaging and distribution. The final step in making shopping carts is all about packaging and distribution. Assembled carts are carefully packaged to prevent scratches or dents during transportation. Some parts are partially disassembled to save space and reduce shipping costs. Essential parts stay tightly secured to prevent damage. Distribution logistics play a key role here. Detailed planning makes sure that the carts reach retailers on time. For large shipments, carts are nested together to maximize space efficiency, allowing hundreds to be shipped at once. Again, this reduces carbon emissions and fuel costs per unit. After all, timely delivery is crucial. Delays in getting carts can disrupt store operations, especially for new stores or during busy seasons. No store wants that kind of setback. It's bad for business. Step 5. Recycling. Shopping carts don't last forever, so what happens to them when they're ready for retirement? Today, sustainability is at the heart of the manufacturing process. There are so many companies who look for recycling options and material recovery. And with shopping carts, this process is simpler. Many parts like the metal frame and plastic parts can be recycled, and design improvements make this process even easier. By focusing on recyclability during the design phase, manufacturers can create carts that are easier to break down and reuse. Also, to extend cart longevity, stores invest in maintenance. They replace worn wheels and reinforcing frames to keep carts in shape. This approach keeps materials in use for longer, cuts down on waste, and lessens the impact of discarded carts. As consumers go green, manufacturers consider the environment from the start, especially in their choice of materials. Using recycled metals or plastics and reducing carbon footprints are now top priorities. These decisions impact every step of design and production. So, today's shopping carts are durable and have a smaller environmental footprint. Well, we've talked about how they're made, but do you know how important shopping carts actually are to a business? Shopping carts aren't just there to carry your items. They're the backbone of retail efficiency. They help shoppers move quickly and allow for larger purchases. Plus, they even shape the flow of store layouts. By making shopping easier, they play a huge role in keeping customers happy and encouraging them to buy more. It's a loop. They're built to be strong, too, especially metal carts. They can take heavy use and tough conditions. High-quality steel coated with powder or zinc plating makes sure that these carts stay sturdy and rust-free, even in humid areas. Supermarket owners can also keep their carts looking fresh and shiny with electro-polishing. This has another benefit, too. It keeps all the mold, fungi, and rust at bay. Shiny carts not only look better but also attract more customers to your store. And honestly, nobody wants a shopping cart that's hard to handle. If you can't take it around the store easily with you, you'd probably use a basket instead. But carts aren't the only option. Shopping baskets offer a simpler, lightweight choice for quick trips, though they can't hold as much. Metal carts are ideal for larger loads and even come with built-in child seats so parents can bring their kids along comfortably. Some cart models hold 2 to 4 baskets for those needing extra space. This feature is especially useful for seniors or anyone needing added support. Shopping carts are already pretty great, but is there more on the horizon? So, great carts should be simple to assemble, easy to use, and stacked neatly for storage. Nesting carts save storage space and make it easier to move multiple carts at once. Many metal carts also come with secure baby carriers, so parents can shop without worry. And for a fun twist, some stores offer kid-sized carts that look like mini cars with steering wheels. If you're a parent, this turns a shopping trip into a mini adventure for the little ones. This keeps children entertained and lets parents shop longer. Win-win for everyone involved. Beyond groceries, supermarkets often use carts to organize smaller items throughout the store for easy access. Many models also include child seats that can hold up to 18 kilograms. Plus, they usually have safety belts for added security. Technology is also changing the shopping cart game. Smart carts with digital screens and app integration are appearing in some stores. This feature makes it easier for customers to keep track of their items, view prices, and even find product recommendations while they shop. Some smart carts can connect to a store's app, providing real-time info on promotions or guiding shoppers to items on their list. Some stores now offer different cart types for varied shopping needs, too. From 2-tier carts for quick trips to insulated carts for frozen items, these options cater to specific shopper requirements. Some carts even have built-in dividers or shelves, perfect for organizing items on a big shopping trip. As material science advances and sustainability grows, shopping carts will become more functional and eco-friendly assets in retail. Convenience, safety, and environmental responsibility, you're getting it all. Well, there you have it. That's all from us today. If you're interested in how things around you are made, be sure to check out our other videos on our channel. Until then, thanks for watching.